7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are actively replacing entire job categories right now, and most professionals have no idea it's already happening to their industry. In fact, according to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. Let that sink in for a moment. We're not talking about some far-off dystopian future where robots take over the world. This is happening right now, and it's happening fast. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2026, more than 50% of all employees will need to adapt to new ways of working as a result of automation. But what does this mean for specific industries? Let's take a closer look at 7 AI tools that are already making waves in various sectors. We'll explore their capabilities, how they're being used today, and what the implications are for professionals who work with them. Section 1: Language Translation Tools. One of the most significant advancements in AI over the past year has been in language translation tools. Google's newest addition to this space is called Google Translate Neural Engine. This tool can translate languages in real time at speeds that are nearly indistinguishable from a native speaker. In fact, according to Google, its new neural engine can achieve an accuracy rate of 90% for conversational dialogue. This might not seem like a significant threat to jobs just yet, but consider this: language translation tools have already reduced the need for human interpreters in industries such as law enforcement and diplomacy. For example, the U.S. Department of State has implemented AI-powered translation tools to help with international communication during diplomatic missions. The impact on jobs will be twofold. On one hand, language translators may see a significant decrease in demand as machines take over this task. On the other hand, professionals who work in industries that rely heavily on international communication will need to adapt quickly to use these AI tools effectively. This includes lawyers, diplomats, and business executives. Section 2: Chatbots. Chatbots have been around for years, but their capabilities have improved dramatically in recent months. Companies like IBM and Microsoft are now offering AI-powered chatbot solutions that can handle complex conversations with customers. For instance, IBM's Watson Assistant can engage in natural language dialogue, resolve customer complaints, and even help with sales. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is Walmart. In 2020, Walmart launched an AI-powered chatbot that allows customers to check prices, track orders, and even shop online without needing to interact with human customer support agents. As chatbots become more sophisticated, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to customer service, telemarketing, and sales. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these AI tools will be in high demand. Section 3: Predictive Maintenance. Predictive maintenance is an area where AI has made tremendous strides in recent months. Companies like Siemens and GE are now offering predictive maintenance solutions that use machine learning algorithms to predict equipment failures before they occur. This can lead to significant cost savings for industries such as manufacturing, aerospace, and energy. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is ExxonMobil. In 2020, ExxonMobil implemented an AI-powered predictive maintenance system that reduced equipment downtime by 25%. As AI takes over routine maintenance tasks, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to this area. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these systems will be in high demand. Section 4: Content Generation. AI has made significant strides in content generation over the past year, with companies like Google and Facebook launching AI-powered writing tools that can produce high-quality content at scale. For instance, Google's AI-powered writing tool can generate original articles on topics such as science, technology, and politics. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is Forbes. In 2020, Forbes launched an AI-powered content generation platform that allows users to create high-quality content with minimal effort required. As AI takes over content creation tasks, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to writing, editing, and publishing. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these systems will be in high demand. Section 5: Image Recognition. AI-powered image recognition tools have made significant strides in recent months. Companies like Google and Amazon are now offering AI-powered image recognition solutions that can identify objects, people, and even emotions within images. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is the National Geographic. In 2020, National Geographic launched an AI-powered image recognition platform that allows users to identify wildlife species, track conservation efforts, and even help with scientific research. As AI takes over tasks related to image analysis, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to photography, graphic design, and visual arts. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these systems will be in high demand. Section 6. Speech recognition. Speech recognition tools have also made significant strides in recent months. Companies like Microsoft and Amazon are now offering AI-powered speech recognition solutions that can transcribe audio recordings with near-human accuracy. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is the U.S. Navy. In 2020, the U.S. Navy implemented an AI-powered speech recognition system that allows sailors to transcribe conversations in real time, reducing the need for human transcriptionists. As AI takes over tasks related to speech recognition, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to transcription, data entry, and voice recognition. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these systems will be in high demand. Section 7. Autonomous systems. Autonomous systems have made significant strides in recent months, with companies like Waymo and Tesla launching self-driving car technology that can navigate roads safely and efficiently. One notable example of a company using these tools effectively is the city of Singapore. In 2020, Singapore launched an AI-powered autonomous bus system that allows passengers to travel on designated routes without human drivers. As AI takes over tasks related to transportation, logistics, and supply chain management, we can expect to see a decline in jobs related to driving, delivery, and warehousing. On the other hand, professionals who understand how to design and implement these systems will be in high demand. Conclusion. In conclusion, 7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are actively replacing entire job categories right now. While this may seem daunting at first, it's essential to remember that automation is a natural part of human progress. By understanding which jobs are at risk and what skills are needed to adapt to these changes, professionals can position themselves for success. It's not just about adapting to change, it's about embracing the possibilities that AI brings. Professionals who understand how to design and implement AI systems will be in high demand. It's time to start thinking creatively about how we can leverage AI to improve industries, streamline processes, and create new opportunities for growth. As we move forward into a world where automation is increasingly prevalent, it's essential to remember that the future of work will require professionals who are adaptable, innovative, and open to learning. The next generation of workers will need to be equipped with skills that complement AI, not just replace human labor. The clock is ticking, and by 2026, we'll see significant changes in various industries due to automation. It's time for professionals to start thinking about how they can adapt, innovate, and thrive in this new world.